Solar-powered truck achieves record altitude for EVs. In a remarkable feat, Swiss transport and logistics company Geberter Weiss has set a new altitude record for electric vehicles EVs with their groundbreaking solar-powered truck, Terran. This extraordinary vehicle reached an impressive altitude of 21,325 feet, 6,500 meters, on the western ridge of Hoyos del Salado in Chile, marking a new pinnacle for EV capabilities in high-altitude terrains. Terran, a versatile truck developed by Ebi Schmidt, a Swiss company specializing in agricultural machinery and heavy equipment, runs on synthetic fuel. The prototype, based on the Ebi VT450 transporter and featuring rear-wheel steering, is not your typical electric vehicle. It is equipped with a relatively modest 90 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of 124 miles to 100 kilometers. However, a production version has the potential to accommodate a larger 140 kWh pack for extended travel. Powered by a pair of electric motors delivering a combined 380 horsepower, Terran is optimized for challenging terrains. What sets this solar-powered truck apart is its integration of roof-mounted solar panels spanning 86 square feet, 8 square meters, and an additional 301 square feet, 28 square meters of mobile photovoltaics. This innovative design allows the vehicle to capture solar energy for about 5 hours, providing an impressive 93 miles, 150 kilometers of range. The historic journey began at the Maricunga Salt Lake, with Terran undergoing exploratory tours at 11,154 feet, 3,400 meters above sea level, overcoming milestones. The truck reached the 6,000-meter barrier by the end of November and achieved the groundbreaking altitude record of 21,325 feet, 6,500 meters, a week later, all achieved solely on solar power. This remarkable accomplishment not only showcases the advancements in electric mobility, but also highlights the potential of solar technology in powering vehicles in challenging environments. Geberter Weiss and Ebi Schmidt's Terran has not only broken records, but has paved the way for sustainable and efficient electric transportation in some of the world's most demanding landscapes.